Suppose y square equal to 4ax is the equation of this parabola. If I want to express a point on this, I need two values, x coordinate and y coordinate. I want to express the point using only one number. If I write P2, it should represent one point. If I write P of -1, I should get another point. If I write P of 0, I should get another point. How can I get the coordinate of the point on the parabola by representing with a single number? That is what is known as parametric equation. If y square equal to 4x, we are going to define P of t as at square comma 2at. Check whether, first of all, is this a point on this parabola? If it is a point on the parabola, it should satisfy the equation. Y के जगह पे 280 डालेगा और x के जगह पे 80 स्क्वायर डालेगा, तो दोनों साइड इक्वल है कि नहीं इक्वल है? Are they equal?
Yes, sir. They are equal.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this is always a point on this parabola. You agree with this? So I can denote, suppose I have a parabola y square equal to 8x. You can see 4a is 8. So a is 2. So every point on this parabola will be, a के जगह पे 2 डाल दो, 2t square, a के जगह 2, 4t. This will be any point on this parabola. Suppose I put p as t's value as 1, I'll get 1 point on the parabola. If I put t's value as half, I'll get another point on the parabola. Do you understand this? So every point on the parabola can be obtained by putting different values of t, and this point, this is known as parameter of the point. T is known as parameter of the point. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So any point on the parabola y square equal to 4ax is 80 square comma 2at, which means every point on the parabola has x coordinate 80 square and y coordinate 2at, provided the equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4x. Okay, my question to you is, if the equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax, the parametric coordinate or coordinate of any point on this parabola is 80 square comma 280. That's what I taught you just now. If it is y square equal to minus 4x, what would be any point on this parabola?
Minus
80 square to minus 280.
Very good. Minus 80 square comma 280. If it is x square equal to 4ay, what will be the coordinate of any point on the parabola?
80 square minus 280.
X and y got interchanged, no? So x and y is
Positive.
so 280 comma x के जगह पे 280 और y के जगह पे
80 square.
if x square equal to minus 4ay, what will be the coordinate of any point on the parabola?
280.
280 comma
Minus 80 square.
80 square. Okay. Suppose the equation of the parabola is y minus 2 the whole square is 4a into x minus 1. What will be any point on this parabola? तो ये पूरा x minus 1 80 square बनना पड़ेगा. And y minus 2 should become 280. That means x should be 1 plus 80 square and y should be 2 plus 280. समझा कि नहीं? So the coordinate of any point on this parabola will be 1 plus 80 square, comma 2 plus 280. समझा नहीं समझा? If I put this in place of x, a 1 cancel होना चाहिए. If I put this in place of y, a 2 cancel होना चाहिए. इसलिए 2 plus आया है. Followed? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
Yes, please.
You have to just check whether this point which I'm writing here, whether it satisfies the equation or not. When I put x as 1 plus 80 square, this one and this one will go away. So it will satisfy the equation. Fine? Okay, write the heading. Parametric equation of parabola. Or parametric point. दोनों meaning एक ही है. Both mean same. Equation will say x equal to. Parametric point means we'll write the coordinate. आप ऐसे एक column बना दो. First parametric equation. Don't write it. 1 minute. Parametric, any point on the parabola. Parametric छोड़ दो. Any point on the parabola. Make 3 columns. One space here, one space here. Now we will write the equation. So what I am writing? Cartesian equation. So the first parabola, y square equal to 4x. इसका parametric equation है, x coordinate is always 80 square and y coordinate is 280. If they say equation, we'll have to write this way. Any point we'll write as p of t is 80 square comma 280. So if you ask, find a point on the parabola, you will assume this as the coordinate of the point on the parabola. Is it fine? Now write next one, y square equal to minus 4x. So x should be positive, so it will become minus 80 square and y is 280. P of t will be minus 80 square comma 280. Then x square equal to 4ay. X coordinate will be 280 and y coordinate will be 80 square. So coordinate of any point will be 280 comma 80 square. Then comes x square equal to minus 4ay. So x will be positive. Y should be negative. Okay. X is 280 and y is minus 80 square. So coordinate of PT will be 280 comma minus 80 square. Next one. Just this is not much importance. Y minus k the whole square is 4a into x minus h. So x minus h will be 80 square. You can compare this with this first one, no? If you compare with this with the first one, x coordinate is 80 square. So x minus h will be 80 square. Y minus k will be 280. Which means coordinate of t will be h plus 80 square and k plus 280. You can write x is equal to here. I hope you understood. So we have given the equation of parabola. We are given the parameters value. We are asked to find what is the coordinate of the point. So first you will write the formula. So what is the formula? The P of t, parametric point of pt is 80 square comma 280.
Square comma 280.
80, because it is y square equal to 4x. Now you will tell me what is a's value and what is t value. Y square is 16x, implies 4a is 16, implies a is 4. Given to you, t's value is 2. So just substitute a as 4 here, t as 2 here. So p of 2 will be 4 into 2 square, 2 into 4 into 2. How much it became?
Both will be 16.
16 comma 16. So the coordinate of the point or the parabola is 16 comma 16. So when I say p of 2, it means it's a point 16 comma 16. Okay, my next point. I have to find the focal distance of the point. What do you mean by focal distance? Tell me the meaning of
Distance from the focus.
distance from the focus. We know that 16 comma 16. One method is calculate the focus and find its distance. But I don't like that method because it requires distance formula. Second method is, without even thinking about it, write the answer. You know that for a parabola, the focus, this length and this length are equal. You also know that if this is the y-axis, this length is a, and this length from here till here is the x coordinate. So the focal distance is a plus the x coordinate of the point. So here a is focal distance, not focal distance. Is okay, focal distance is SP, which is equal to PM, which is equal to a plus x coordinate of the point. A is 4 here, x coordinate is 16 here, so your answer is 20 units. So one more shortcut I've taught you. Focal distance is a plus x coordinate of the point. For which parabola? Y square equal to 4x. Is this 2 points clear to everybody? If you give you the point, you can find the parameter. If you know the parameter, you can find the point. Are you ready for next question?
Just a second, sir.
This can be compared with y square equal to 4x, no? Pt is 80 square comma 280. Here the parabola is y square equal to x. So 4a is 1. So a ka value 1 by 4 ho gaya. So the coordinate of pt will be 1 by 4 comma t square 2 into 1 by 4 comma t, which I can write it as t square by 4 comma t by 2. And this is given to be 9 comma minus 3. Now tell me t's value from this. What should be t's value?
Plus or minus 6.
If you put minus, that
6.
is equal to plus or minus 6, you said, no? If I
Yes.
put 6 here, 36 by 4, 9. But if I put 6 here, I won't get minus 3.
So
So
minus-
you need to equate only the y coordinate. Don't equate the x coordinate. You equate the
Okay.
x coordinate. So what we'll say, t by 2 is minus 3. So
Is
t
minus
by
6.
minus 6. No problem, no?
No, sir.
So I taught you parametric
Yes.
equation, parametric point of the parabola, and also I taught you how to calculate the parameter. Next, I have to teach you one more thing. Which is of the form y square is equal to 8x. So much is clear. So in place of y, capital Y के जगह पे क्या है? Y minus 2. Capital X के जगह पे क्या है? X minus 2. बराबर है ना? So did you understand this calculation? How did this number 4 has come? 4 is taken by this method. You took the coefficient of y minus 4, you divided by 2 and squared it. That will be your b square term, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So whenever we want b, this is a technique we do. Coefficient of y divided by 2 and square it. So that number is added so that this becomes perfect square. Is it okay? Everybody agree with this, what I have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next
So
step,
that part coefficient of y square.
coefficient of y, not y square. Coefficient of y कितना है?
Okay.
4
So
minus 4. उसको 2 से डिवाइड करने के बाद स्क्वायर करो.
okay. Understood. Understood.
Now look at this. Y square equal to 4x. Then you have y square equal to, what was our number we got? 8x. Then we have got y minus 2 the whole square is 8 into x minus 2. Now whatever they asked or not asked, I'm going to teach you all of them. How to derive the answers. Imagine I want vertex. Vertex. Do you know the vertex of this parabola? What is the vertex of this parabola?
0, 0.
So naturally there is no a in it. So vertex of this also be 0, 0. Now listen to me carefully. Here capital Y is 0 and capital X is 0. Here capital X के जगह पे x minus 2 है ना? So x minus 2 will become 0. So x will become 2.
2,2.
Y minus 2 also will become 0. So y will become 2. So इसका आंसर है 2, 2. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I want to find focus. If I want to find the focus, first I'll calculate the focus for the original parabola. What is the focus of this parabola? A, 0. What is the value of A here? 4a is 8. So a is 2. So focus of this parabola is 2, 0. Which means x coordinate is 2. So x minus 2 is 2. So x coordinate is 4. So the focus here will be 4. And the y coordinate is 0, which means y minus 2 is 0. So y is equal to 2. Got the idea? You equate जो y के जगह पे जो है उसके जगह पे 0 डाल दिया. x के जगह पे 2 है इधर, तो इधर x के जगह पे जो है उसके ऊपर 2 डाल दिया. find out the value of x and y. Done? Understood? Please say whether you followed or not.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, I'm going to teach you equation of directrix. Tell me the formula for equation of directrix. क्या होगा इसका equation? What the equation of this directrix?
X is equal to minus here.
X equal to minus. A का value 2 है ना? So x equal to minus 2. लेकिन आपका x क्या है? X minus 2 है ना? So x minus 2 is equal to minus 2. That is x equal to 4. No, x equal to 0. So the equation of directrix is x equal to 0. So whatever x here, उसके जगह पे x के अंदर x minus 2 है, इसलिए x minus 2 replace किया. Equation of axis. Axis means axis of symmetry, which is x-axis, which is y equal to 0. इसका भी y equal to 0. लेकिन here y minus 2 equal to 0. Then end point of the lattice sector. What is the focus? A comma 0. So a comma plus or minus 2a. But here a is 2. So 2 comma plus or minus 4. Always double. Focus का double. जो 0 की जगह पे उसका double होगा. That means x minus 2 is 2. And y minus 2 is plus or minus 4. That means x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is either 6 or y coordinate is minus 2. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Length of the lattice vector. Here is 4a, here is 8 unit, either be 8 units. No change. Length cannot change. I hope you understood. Find vertex, then focus, equation of directrix, then equation of axis, then end point of lattice vector, and length of the lattice vector. Say last time, the same thing. Will you be able to do it? So how to go? Where should I complete the square this time?
X.
X.
So complete the square. X square minus 4x equal to 8y minus 12. Only x term on one side, y term on the other side. What should I add?
Plus 4.
Coefficient of x divided by 2 square. This time coefficient of x. So that is also same number only. So x square minus 4x plus 4. 8y minus 12 plus 4. X minus 2 the whole square. 8y minus 8. X minus 2 the whole square equal to 8 into y minus 1, which is of the form x square is equal to 8y. Is it fine?
Yes.
What will be its vertex? What is the vertex of this parabola?
2, 1.
Vertex. Not
0,
0,
0.
0, 0. So what will be the vertex of this parabola? A0 होना चाहिए, A0 होना चाहिए.
2, 1.
2, 1.
Got the idea? Okay, we'll make like last time, we'll make columns and do it. So first column, x square equal to 4ay. Second column, x square equal to 8y. Third column, this equation, x minus 2 the whole square is 8 into y minus 1. So vertex of this parabola, 0, 0. Vertex of this also 0, 0. Vertex of this will be 2, 1. Can you do it yourself now? What will be the focus here? 0, a. 0, 2. Now x minus 2 is 0, so 2 hoga. Y minus 1 is 2, so y equal to 3. I hope you understood. Please tell me if you're not following, you must tell me. I'll write all the steps. But don't keep sit in the class silently listening. जो भी आप बोलो sir, मैं सुनेगा. Then my questions you will not be able to answer. What is the equation of directrix?
Y equals to minus a.
Yes, y is equal to minus a. So y is equal to minus 2. But what will be here y? Y minus 1 will be minus 2 now. So y is equal to minus 1. Then equation of axis. So x equal to 0 because of y axis. So x is 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0. Endpoint of lattice sector. 0, a. So plus or minus 2a, a. Plus or minus 4, 2. That means x minus 2 is plus or minus 4. So what will be the x coordinate? 6, y minus 1 is 2. So 3. And what will be the other one? Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Minus 2, 3. That is your final answer. Is it fine? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
That is my last question for today.